So next, I want to ask another perspective for sourcing. So मेरे पास inspirations है, and I want to get some designs made now.
Yeah.
But I don't know what is the design process.
Yeah.
Okay. How to really get it done, and then cracking those low MOQ manufacturing.
Yeah. See, for starters, अगर आपके पास इंस्पिरेशन है तो हर जब इंस्पिरेशन होता है हम थोड़ा Pinterest पे जाते ही जाते हैं. We cannot, we will never openly talk about, but mood boarding के लिए वो बहुत important होता है.
हाँ.
तब थोड़ा सा और इंस्पिरेशन को थोड़ा फाइन ट्यून करो. If you're like me, where I can't even draw a straight line, but I can create collections. Like I sit down and I work with my karika. I said, दादा ये बना सकते हैं, इसे नहीं बना सकते, गिर जाएगा, लटक जाएगा, ट्राई तो करके देखते हैं. But if you have to break it down, once you have an inspiration, then you identify the design.
Okay.
For a design to feel like a design, and especially in jewelry, it should have earrings, rings, neck piece, bangle. These are basic categories to begin with. Then again, if you want to keep your costs minimum, don't make your designs too elaborate. Because once you identify a pattern, once you have created a sample of that pattern, then उसका कास्ट बनता है, जिसमें आपको मल्टीपल चीज़ें बना सकते हो. तो आप जितना न्यू डिज़ाइन फॉर्म करोगे उसका कास्ट आपका मल्टीपल बनेगा. सो आप पहले उसको लिमिटेड रखो. डू इट between 1 and 3.
Okay.
1 ideal, because I feel अगर 1 करते हो, you're able to flag that design, you're able to hammer down that design. But that means that 1 has to be extraordinary.
Okay.
But otherwise, if you feel that no, you need to have more elements in place, then do a mix of 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And then start, get the khachas in place. And literally, like what I would do, I would sit down with my karikar and put it together. इसको ऐसे लगा देते, इसके वास्ते. Sometimes the best products come out when you're doing it's literally like I still remember we had made this glass brooch and the glass had just come out of the kiln, and the glass, like I have butterfingers, so I was carrying the glass और गिर गया और उसके 3 pieces टूट गए. And like, oh man, what happened? And I'm like, 1 second, इसका हम ब्रोच बना दे क्या? And literally वो 3 broken pieces को लिया और उसको 3 ब्रोच के pieces को करके साथ करके ब्रोच, and that became beautiful. So there's, like, what is a designer? What is a designer? The designer is able to design out of anything, right? And have that openness, have that aptitude. Back in the day, it was very difficult to come across karigars. But now you have manufacturers who also advertise themselves. You will also have, little bit of research. You will be able to, find manufacturers in Bombay, Jaipur, Delhi. In fact, Noida side has a lot of manufacturers. Noida obviously has a lot of export houses. You'll also have a lot of fashion manufacturers in Bombay because Bombay is the hub of jewelry. Jaipur, obviously, right? Connect with them, go and sit with them and create a little sample. After you build the sample, I tell everyone that for a collection to feel like a collection, try having at least 15 stacks. Because then it feels like a collection. Then it's not either your one product is strong. Like for me, when we had created Promise was one product. And when we reached out for omni-channel placements, a lot of e-commerce portals says that how do we create a shop front where you only have one product? Give me more SKUs. So we created more colors.
Okay.
But it was still one product. But
exactly the one I'm wearing, right?
It's maybe same cast hai, but stones are placements are different. So create a collection of at least 15 pieces so that it feels like a collection. में क्या होना चाहिए? Earrings होना चाहिए. किस टाइप की earrings होना चाहिए? थोड़ा minimal होना चाहिए. थोड़ा mid segment होना चाहिए. कुछ statement होना चाहिए. Ring होना चाहिए. Bangle होना चाहिए. Bracelet होना चाहिए. There should be some heavy duty neck piece, right? And now it's also the time of experimentation. Can you have hair accessories? Can you have ear crawlers? People with multiple piercings. Like I am like constantly dressing up my multiple piercings. Can you have earrings for your second piercing or third piercing or fourth piercing? So, and those are gimmicky. They click well and they're also very fast to move because people want something fun, right?
Okay.
Create that collection, photo shoot karo, डालो, and then have fun.
Nice. मुझे लग रहा है मैं भी अपना ब्रांड
Karo, why not? Why not? In fact, we have one of these designers called Satat. What they do is block prints. Block prints को paint करके jewelry में बना के
अरे वाह, nice.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We used to also have this designer जो अजरक के जो ब्लॉक्स बनते हैं and उसका करके ज्वेलरी बनाकर and उसमें सिल्वर एलिमेंट्स लगा के and it's like beautiful piece of block.
Amazing. And the best part is अभी जो market है, they are willing to spend on it.
Yeah.
They understand the art.
Yeah,
And they like it.
They do.
Yeah.
So, for example, in 2018, we had collaborated with Crafts Root, which is this non-profit organization based out of Ahmedabad, and they are a huge force to reckon with in the craft sector.
Okay.
And what we had done is that their specialty was mushroom silk and kalamkari.
Okay.
And I reached out to them and I said, you know, when people think kalamkari, they think the boring earthy colors. They're beautiful, but they are earthy colors.
Yeah.
I said, can you realize kalamkari for us in fabric? They said, in vibrant color. So yes, I said, white and blue karoge? Kehte, haan.
Nice.
So they did that. Then I got them to make me little buttons. I got the buttons and I created an entire collection called Bahare Kalam. And through Bahare Kalam, we collaborated with the crafts-based place where we were trying to encourage कि देखो crafts and jewelry को करो.
Thank you for watching my clips. If you want more clips like this, please follow my channel, the SMS India Clips.